first this evening, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is facing growing pressure after more than a dozen newborns died at hospital because of a bacterial outbreak.
In addition to continued calls for the minister's resignation, the opposition at a press briefing today demanded answers.
Since information that a bacterial outbreak at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital led to the deaths of 14 babies between July and October this year, there have been more questions than answers. In a press conference on Friday, the opposition suggested that as troubling as the reports of the deaths are, Dr. Tufton's response since is worse.
The truth is, babies died, mothers cried, fathers cried. Tufton decided to hide, and Tufton did nothing.
What makes it even more egregious is the failure to disclose and the apparent cover-up. We have heard inferentially, and this needs to be investigated, that there were meetings conducted at the facility where the staff was warned not to say anything about it. And this is not the way in which a democracy operates.
Since being bombarded with questions on the issue, Dr. Tufton revealed that Prime Minister Andrew Holness was only advised of the matter on Wednesday, October 26, and that the cabinet at the time had not been officially informed. Dr. Tufton insists that the ministry was not hiding information, but was awaiting an independent review from the Pan American Health Organization on the matter before going public. But opposition spokesperson on health, Dr. Maurice Guy, says again this raises more questions.
No, it is not by accident that the minister mentioned that he asked PAHO to go to Spanish Town Hospital as well as Bustamante Children's Hospital when he invited them to the country. There's more to it than that. The minister needs to come clean to the country to tell the country why is it that he withheld the information, why he kept it a secret, despite the fact that he's indicating that he was more concerned about the chaos it would create. The minister needs to come to the country and give us the timelines.
The PNP is suggesting that several other issues of mismanagement contributed to the deaths.
We know that there are shortages of personal protective equipment. And this probably is one of the reasons why we have seen what we have seen, what has been brought to light. We also know that specialist nurses within this specialty have not been trained for many years because the hostel in which the postgraduate training, as we have been advised by Nurses Association of Jamaica, has been closed. So we are calling on the minister to have an in-depth audit of all the institutions. We need to know what really transpired at Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
In 2015, then Health Minister under a PNP government, Dr. Fenton Ferguson, was fired from the post after 18 babies died because of a bacterial outbreak. The opposition is insisting that Prime Minister Holness takes similar action in the current case.